Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Rochelle from Plan with CSRD, and today I am planning or back planning the week of the 28th of June. And the sticker kit that I'm showing right here is from Geekygiraffedesigns, which she's a new shop to me, and I think to a lot of people. She was very kind to send me the stickers and let me do a review on them. So here you see all the stickers that come with the digital kit that she sells. She sells a digital version with an add-on digital version, and she also sells printable versions. So as you can see, she has a bunch of stickers. She just has the regular stickers and the pattern stickers, so she offers you both options, which I think is amazing. Now this kit is a bit of a wintry kit, but I decided to use it for the week of June when my husband and I found out that we are expecting a baby boy. So right now she has a 50% off discount on her Etsy. I will link her Etsy shop down below, and you should really go check her stickers out because she offers a bunch of stickers, and especially if you are new to digital planning and you want to try it out and you don't really know what you like yet, you should check out her digital stickers because she has a bunch of options. So going into the plan with me, she has like she has one big folder where she puts all her stickers in, which is okay, but it can be a bit more difficult to search all your stickers. Like I like it arranged in folders. Like I like my full boxes and my washi together in one folder, and I like all my labels together in one folder. But she told me that she is going to do that with all the next kits that she designs, so she will make it a lot easier for us to get all the stickers that we want. So I am basically laying down all my basics for this week. She had a bunch of options as for the full boxes as well as for the washi. She had, I think it was like 3 different kind of washi strips, and she has of course 8 full boxes, but she also offers double boxes and some extra boxes as well. So she has a bunch of options, which I really enjoyed because I got to choose whatever I wanted to use for this kit and whatever fitted this kit for me. And then date covers, I chose to put down the red ones, but she had date covers in literally every color that she used for her glitter headers. So I really like the idea of having all these options to just customize your kit however you would like it to be. So I'm just putting down all the basics, and whenever I'm done with putting down all the basics, I will come back and we will start planning for this week. Also, before I go, as you can see, she has a bunch of stickers, like I already said like a couple of hundred times, but she also has a bunch of icons, which I really liked. The only thing that I found a bit more difficult is that it seemed like the icons there were a bunch of icons in all the different colorways, but I was still missing a couple of icons, like just a TV or a house or a planner, something like that. But she also told me that she is going to include those and is going to think about what icons would be good for the white space planners like I am, for example, in her digital and her in her kits. So I said that I was going to go away, but we are already planning for the for Monday. So we are planning for the week of the 28th of June, like I said already, and for the icons that were not in a kit but that I really wanted to use, I just made my own. So if you would like to see how I did that, just comment down below in the comment section, and I will make sure that I will make a video about it. So this was the week that I was 15 weeks pregnant, and here in the Netherlands, from week 15 you can do the gender reveal if you would like, the gender reveal ultrasound. So that's what we did, and on Monday I could not sleep. So I was very late to work because this was last school year. And this school year I was off, or I am off on Mondays, but last school year I was off on the Fridays. So I could not sleep, was late at work, used a sticker from Geekygiraffedesigns, and I just customized it to my likings. After that I used a work label from the kit, and also the 3-heart checklist, which I really like the script from the work label, and I also used the laptop icon. So I really appreciated that she had the laptop icon as well in the kit, to mark down all my work to-dos. And after that I just needed to pick up my dog Cleo from my parents, because back then we were still living in our rental home, and the dog sticker with the girl sticker is from Kina Prints. And then in the evening I just used a bunch of icons to mark down that I had to clean the house, and I also marked down that I was busy with my cash envelopes. And I marked it down in a sticky note, which is also from the kit, and she includes a lot of like different labels, different half boxes, squared off but also rounded off, and she had these cute sticky notes in all the different patterns, or not patterned, colorways. So I really appreciate that as well. And then on Tuesday I marked down my work hours again. I marked down that we had the gender reveal ultrasound, which showed us that it was going to be a boy, or it is going to be a boy. So I marked that down with a Kina print sticker, and as you can see on Monday, the sticky note, I just used the regular, just a red sticky note, and on Tuesday I used a half box with the patterned red colorway. So I really like that as well. And then on Wednesday I just marked down all my work hours again. I marked down that I had a nail appointment, and the nail appointment and the planner sticker are from the Geekygiraffedesigns as well, which is, like I said, I really enjoy planning with icons and character stickers. And character stickers I don't really need in a kit, because I have some that I really enjoy using from particular shops. But the planner icon and the nail polish icon, those are the icons that I really like to use, like a house icon as well, and those were not included in the kit yet. But like I said, she is going to look at what kind of icons people are using, and then try to include them in her kits as well. And then on Wednesday evening I just washed and dried my hair. Going on to Thursday, marked my work hours again, marked that I had to pick up Cleo again with a Kina print sticker. She has this cute grocery icon sticker, so I used that one to pick up, to mark down that I had to pick up some groceries. And then I had to pick up moving boxes, because this was actually the week that we started moving out, or that we moved out to live with my parents, because we bought a home back in May and it is being built as we speak right now. We have to wait till July until our house is ready. So this was the week that was very busy for us, and it was not the last week, but the week before the last week before summer vacation, if that makes any sense. So I also tidied up the house, and then on Friday was my day off. So I just slept in first, and then I had a home tour. People were coming over to see our rental home, so I marked it down with a Kika sticker. I picked up breakfast. I marked it down with a vanilla sticker from Papershire, and then I just hang out with a friend of mine, and I had a barbecue with work. So then the weekend banner I really enjoy, because I never take the time to make a weekend banner, and I always see my planner girl Meek do that, and I enjoy it very much, but I just don't have the patience to make one. So I really appreciated it that she had one in her kit. She pre-makes them, so that was really nice. And then it was just my dad's birthday. So I really hope you enjoyed this plan with me. I will link down all the stickers and the planner kit down below in the information section, and you should really check out her shop. I will leave a link down below as well for her shop. Go check it out. She has a 50% discount right now. See you soon. Bye.